doing your phone thing.
Huh?
I got your feet.
Oh my goodness.
Here, I want to show you, Dad. We're inside the house. I want to show you this.
This is absolutely out of control.
Blizzard of 2011. Look at that. Look over there.
It just doesn't stop. I'm gonna make a bad dance spins.
Probably did this for 30 days straight.
You screwed.
Huh?
You screwed.
The snow would be up to the house, the roof.
Oh yeah.
It's like a tornado. Hey, look at that. If you're out there, if we were standing right there out in the middle of the street, we should go do it one time. Just feel it.
No way, you know what?
With the truck, I would.
Yeah, but when the fast snowplow would be so.
It's got to pull in with the boss. Got the 4-wheel drive, you know what I'm saying,
Here,
Doug?
Dad, let me show you this.